Welcome to our channel. Hey y'all, it's me, Christina,
Jerome,
and Carl.
Yep. So I don't know what Jerome talked us into, y'all. We've got ranch dressing soda. Jerome, anything you want to say about ranch dressing soda? Where did you hear about this?
you don't want to think.
I don't want to think about it.
Really?
You saw another YouTuber with it, or you heard somebody at school?
YouTuber.
Yeah, so he saw another YouTuber with it, and he thought it would be a good idea for us to all try it. Carl is super excited. Not.
Yeah.
Jerome is overly excited.
To see his reaction.
And I'm just here for the ride, y'all. So, ranch dressing soda. Let's look on the bottle. It's Lester's Fixins Ranch Dressing Soda. Y'all get your fixins. It's 12 fluid ounce. Ingredients: carbonated artesian spring water, pure cane sugar, gum acacia, natural flavor, ester gum, flash pasteurized for stability and safety. So it doesn't nothing but ranch, but I guess that's what's in the natural flavor, eh?
Yeah.
All right. So I don't even know. Should we take a little sip? Daddy's ready to open. Make Daddy open him. I'm afraid to smell it when it open, and I change my mind. Ranch dressing soda. So, y'all, when I actually looked for ranch dressing soda online, I also found there's also one that's like bacon, something like that, bacon soda. There's one that's like bacon soda. There's all sort of weird ones. All right, let's smell. Luckily, I still kind of have a cold, so. What does it smell like, or?
Blue cheese.
And I don't like blue cheese.
I do like blue cheese.
So you're gonna be drinking blue cheese. Jerome, what does it smell like? It smells good?
No.
You probably don't even know what blue cheese smells like.
No, not
Smells like that? All right.
All right, here we go.
Y'all want to do a taste test first, or should we just...
I think everybody goes at the same time.
Cheers!
Ready?
Love y'all! Ready?
Here we go.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
Oh.
Y'all, this I can't drink.
Alright, you know what? For all of us, for all of you, I'm doing it.
Listen. Listen.
Right.
It does taste like ranch dressing. And my nose is kind of still stopped up, right? It does taste like ranch dressing. But other flavor that I kind of got, you know, like an old coconut that's like decaying.
That's blue
and
cheese.
you push it open. Oh, and that taste lingers. I can still smell.
I'm not going to forget about that.
Jerome.
As hard as I might try.
You're gonna have nightmares tonight.
Listen.
It might give you nightmares.
What's gonna happen to this ranch dressing soda, Jerome? And we also chilled it because we thought it would probably make it taste better. So they were all chill.
Oh my god.
All right, y'all.
We'll amend this one
I'm gonna throw up.
with a Jojo's reaction when she wakes up.
For real.
We'll save a little for Jojo.
I know y'all want to see Jojo. So Jojo, you know, Jojo does her own thing. She comes when she's ready, and look what she's ready. She loves watching herself on the laptop and the TV, though.
I don't want to we're gonna get this on this video here, and
yes, so she's taking a nap right now. So as soon as she wakes up, we're gonna have her try it on camera just for y'all.
Either we're gonna do it here, or we're gonna make it short.
No, we're gonna do it here.
Yeah, we're just gonna make it on this.
Yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Watch out to see Jojo's reaction. Listen, I can't finish this, y'all. But thanks for tuning in. No. This is not my jam. I don't know if I'll even try that bacon one. Bacon soda? What do y'all think? Should we try bacon soda? Yeah?
Should we try the barbecue?
Oh, there's a barbecue one? Should we do a barbecue? Bacon soda? Y'all tell us in the comments. What should we try next? See y'all in a minute.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, welcome back. So just like we said, Jojo is awake and she's about to try ranch dressing soda. Drum ready?
Uh-huh.
Joe, you ready? She got covered it already. She probably smell it.
Give me that.
Here, Joe. Try.
Oh.
I promise you she smell it. Like she has a good sense of smell. Here, look. Look at mommy. Yo, it does smell like blue cheese. She's like, no, no, no. Something is not right. Mm-mm.
We have to. It's for science.
Let's do one of her small cups. Let's see if she'll try it out of the cup.
We just have to do it over here.
Let's see if she'll try. Do you want a straw, Joey? She's like, no, 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 no. No matter what you do, it's still no. All right, listen. They smell like blue cheese, and blue cheese smell like something spoiling, or there's mildew or something, right? And even like I was saying, like a spoiled coconut, you bought something like an old spoiled coconut. That's what they smell like. These don't smell like something you just drink just because it smells good, because it doesn't, or it tastes good. This is not like Sprite or Coke or anything like that. Here, Joey, do you want to try? Look. Do you want to try? Here, open it. Open it.
All right, Joey.
You want to try? Oh, here, Joey. Whoops! Ah!
It gets
Spilled.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, okay. Freak her out before she tries it here.
Bring it back here.
Well, let's see. Jojo now don't sense. Watcha. No. You want a spoon? Just a tad bit. Listen, it's not gonna work. So it has a strong smell, so I think she smells it and she knows it's not something. She just wants to pour it.
The only thing
She knows it don't smell good.
The only thing we can do now is just.
Do you want a straw? Jojo, would you like a straw?
Mine.
Oh, Jerome said maybe we'll try the sippy cup. Daddy, would you like to try one of those little pink sippy cups? With the spout? I know that she can. Oh, Daddy's got you a straw. Here. Ain't nothing we're gonna do that's gonna make this girl want to taste that. So let's see, for our last effort,
I have an idea.
let's do a little sippy cup. But y'all, fingers crossed. I don't know, not even fingers crossed, toes crossed. I don't think she's gonna do it.
Well, we're gonna pour.
Like I said, she has like a heightened sense of smell. She knows what she likes. She knows what she doesn't like just from like smelling, right? So, you don't. I'm sorry. Say hi to everybody. Say hey. Say hey. Thanks for watching our channel.
We're
So,
not
I'm
done.
sorry, but this one is not gonna be the one.
Not yet.
Let's see. Last ditch effort. Okay.
Come on, you can have some water.
Here.
Drink it, take sip. Jerome, drink it.
Never drink anything again or do it.
She'll never drink anything again out of the cups for real once she's had this.
Oh, she drank it. She drank it? Dad? Oh.
What do you think? Do you like it? Do you want more?
Drink it, drink.
You like it at days.
She's like,
No, she doesn't want it. Anyways.
she's like,
Well, hey, she tasted it a little bit. And of course, it took us several efforts to get her to try it. But she's done, see? She's off. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
See y'all next time. One good, one love.